All right, welcome. I want to welcome you guys to Flightlife 365 Devon Travel. By now, you've already paid to become a member of Flightlife 365 Devon Travel. It's time to set up your website. Right here, you should be on this page, which is, you came here from your sponsors page and led you here. So now you're going to get your site set up by submitting over the information to our tech guys to get your site up and going. Right here, you're going to see a part here. After you make your payment, it says buy now, right? After you make your payment, you're going to come back to this page in order to put in your information to submit over to get the website made. Right here where it says PayPal button code, PayPal button code. You must create your own PayPal button code, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And when you create that code, you're going to bring it back here, drop it in that section right there along with the other information, and simply click the submit information button, and we'll get all of that and get your site set up. Let's go over to PayPal and see how this is done. Okay, once you're on your PayPal site, you've logged in, you want to go to Tools, All Tools. Oops, bam. Okay, in All Tools, what you want to do is you want to scroll down where you see PayPal buttons. PayPal buttons, very simple. Click on it. It's going to open up a PayPal button. What you want to do is you want to choose the Buy Now button. Click the Buy Now button. Now, when you click the Buy Now button, it's going to open up on the Buy Now section, creating your button. Now, you see right there it says Buy Now. Make sure it says Buy Now. The item name. What do you want to do for the item name? You have to be very specific with this so PayPal don't give you any hassles. You want to put travel, discount, system. Okay, Devon Travel has already set that up with PayPal, and if you put that in there, you won't have any problem. Right here where it says item ID, you can just put whatever number you want. It doesn't matter. That isn't important. But put a number there to give you a reference to this particular button. Okay, price, very important. We're getting $47 per sign up. $47 per sign up. Put the 47 there. Make sure you have the USD there. Make sure this is a buy now button. You do not need to customize the button in any way, so do not check any of that. You do not have to worry about shipping or tax, so do not touch any of that. Make sure that you're using your secure merchant account ID. Make sure that you click that, okay? Now, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click Create Button. Now, right here, you're going to see the code. You see the code right here where it says select code, right? But what we want is we do not want this code because this is the code that we use when we're creating, we're putting the button directly on the website. We're embedding it. We don't want this. We want this. We want the email code because it's shorter and we can, link it to the picture that says buy now. So when you click that, you're going to copy it. You're going to go back over after you've copied it. You want to go back over to this site here that's requesting information. You have your name, email address, phone number, button code right here. Click and paste. Bam. The code is there. Complete the rest of the information, your Bitcoin wallet address if you're going to be getting paid in Bitcoin, which I highly suggest you do that also. And proof of website purchase. Now, for proof of website purchase, that's going to be your transaction ID from PayPal. When you have purchased it, you receive the email, and you also have it on your PayPal site. Put that in there also. After that, click on Submit Information. Bam, you're set and you're ready to go. We're going to get the information to get started on your site immediately. So that's it, guys. That's how you complete this form right here with the PayPal button code. That is how you create the PayPal button code to bring over here, and you'll be set to go. All right, then, guys, let's get it going. Look forward to working with you. Have a great day.